Riseba, the place where business meets art.
Hi guys, welcome to virtual conference. Let me guide you through the space. Step number 1, just type your full name. In the section about, you can write company you represent or what is your position. For example, I am from Riseba support. Also, you can change or add an image so it will be seen when you are not using your video, and it would look like this. After that, just press continues. Before we go to the space, just check your video, hi, check your audio, and if you use any additional devices, you can change them here. And after that, just press join the space. Okay? Step number 1. You are this little bubble, and if you press, you can drag around the space wherever you want to go. Second step, on the bottom, you can see here is a toolbar, control bar. You can press on and off your camera. Hi. You can use your microphone on and off. Also, you can use different emojis, saying hi to people, or share your screen, or even add image, GIFs, videos, and links. Text with the links. So, that's the main thing. Also, as you can see, I'm zooming in and zooming out all the time. Why I'm doing that? Because I can see whole space, and if I'm communicating with somebody, I just want to see that specific person face to face. So this is how it works. If you want to communicate with somebody, what do? You just move your avatar closer to other person so they will hear you and you will hear them. How does it work? Let's test it out on video. As you can see on the right side, there is a video. We can hear it. But if I move closer, sound is coming. And if I go away, sound is losing. So the same, it works with the microphone and communication. But additional feature what we have here, it's a megaphone option. If you switch megaphone, everyone who is in the room will be able to hear you. Okay? Great. If you are still looking for the button how to zoom in and zoom out, you can use your mouse roller or pad roller, or even you can use on the right side, you can see here, zoom in and zoom out whole your space. Great. On the right side, you can see different rooms. If you want to change any room, just press, for example, once here, and you will appear in the room. And if you want to watch specific video, you can just zoom specific video and you can see it here. Okay? For example, I would like to hear and see this video. I just move my avatar closer and I watch. I can hear the sound and everything. If I want to see this video, I just move my avatar here. Okay? In meanwhile, there is additional button called chat. You can type, hey, how are you, for example, to somebody. And somebody can reply you back with a finger or saying hi or whatever. Pretty much those are the basic steps what you need to learn for the conference. Guys, we're looking forward. Let's have a great day. Bye.
Riseba, the place where business meets art.